When living in a location that experiences unpredictable winters, homeowners must make sure to winterize their homes in preparation for the upcoming snowy and icy weather. Winterizing can include everything from preparing outdoor water features to sealing doors and windows from the fast approaching cold weather. One thing most homeowners don't consider, however, is how to prepare the roof to avoid ice dams. Ice dams form due to a difference in temperature between the inside of a home and outside snowy weather, creating snowmelt that freezes prior to dripping off the roof. Here's what we consider to be the best preventative measures for your home. Have a properly functioning gutter system. When water is able to quickly and easily drain from roofs, it has little time to freeze in or on gutters and create damage. Make sure you have proper attic insulation. Many roof repair Cincinnati calls come from leaking roofs either during snowmelt occurrences in the winter or when spring arrives. Ice dams are one of the main causes of such roof leaks. Make sure your attic is properly vented. Proper attic ventilation can dramatically reduce the chances of additional heat, causing ice dams and the problem of condensation forming in your attic. Our Cincinnati roofing contractors at C.H.I. Roofing are here to help. Give us a call. We will assist with your proper roof winterization, avoiding common issues that promote ice dam formation.